Hello everybody, so welcome to Let Us Read Anywaa videos. Last week we read about what do animals think about. So this week the books that we're gonna read about is The Greedy Bird. The Greedy Bird. Wanya muchunye pal. Wanya muchunye pal. So let's get to it. Thank you to the generous team who gave their time and talents to make this book possible. The author of this book is Fasika Adefres, and this book is translated by Jekap Omod. The Greedy Bird. Wanya muchunye pal. Wanya muchunye pal. A greedy bird saw a field of grain. Wanya muchunye pal putbel ajude. All day she took grain to her nest. Nyingbel achung yi ode ki chang bare. Nyingbel achung yi ode ki chang bare. Night fell. Chung apado. Day came. Oh, ow. The bird took the rest of the grain and hid it in a hole. Wanya nyingbel muadong akale o kange yibur. Night fell. Chung apado. Day came. Oh, ow. Night day. Night day. Night day. War the chung. War the chung. War the chung. The bird ate all the grain she had in her nest. Wanya nyingbel bet moi en ye ode achame o torge. Never mind, she said. Karichado kapere ko win. I have more grain in a hole. Nyingbel mutut dagojira yibur. She flew to the hole. And a mud kaya en burye. The grain had grown into many plants. Nyingbel opit kilmana timgi nedongo. Night day, night day, night day. War the chung, war the chung, war the chung. Okay, everybody, thank you for your time. That is the reading for today. If you are interested in finishing up the book, please get a copy of this book, and I'm going to include the link below. Thank you.